Hi, hello, welcome friends. I am B.M.Amizhthan. Today in this video we are going to see shortcut method for fast calculation. If you are new to my channel, kindly click the red subscribe button and the small little bell icon for notification. Very eager to see that? Let's go. Friends, see these numbers. See how big it is. If you are asked to solve this problem, how much time we will take to do in the normal method? First we will do that. 896 plus 42 minus 506 The answer is 5/2. Now I have done in the normal method. See how much time I have taken it, and it is very boring for us to do in the same way. Now I am going to do in the shortcut method and say you the shortcut method. The first step we need to do is, first we need to take this unit digits. That is the 6, 1, 3 and 6. First we need to do this. 6 minus 1. Here what symbol is here? Subtraction. So I am subtracting 6 minus 1. That is 5. And 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. Write 2 here. And the next is the 10th digit. 9, 6, 2 and 0. Now we will do this. 9 minus 6, that is equal to 3. 3 plus 2 is 5, and 5 plus 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. Write 5 here, and the 100th digit, that is the 8, 2, 4 and 5. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6, and 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. So the answer is 5/2. See how easily and simply we have done this large number in some within of seconds. See, the answer is 5/2. The 5/2 is the answer, and in the normal way we have got the answer 5/2. This is the same answer. Now we will do another step to do it more clearly. Friends, here comes the next example. In this number we have to add one more trick. So please listen carefully till the end of the video. Now as I said, first we need to do this unit digit. That is the 6, 3, 2 and 3. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Write 2 here and the 10th digit, that is 2, 2, 1 and 8. 2 minus 2 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1 and 1 minus 8. 1 minus 8 we can't do. So we should write 8 minus 1, that is 7. And we need to put the minus symbol before writing the 7, like this. We should read minus 7. And now the 100th digit, that is 9, 4, 3 and 1. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. Write 7 here. Now we should not write the answer as 7/2. Now here is the trick. What we will do when we get like this in the normal method, we will borrow 1 from this number. That is, write 6 here. We will get 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7 is 3. Write 3 here and write this 2 and 6. So the answer is 6/2. See how easily and simply we have done this calculation of this large number. See how easy and simple it is. Friends, please practice this method at home so that you interesting math shortcut tricks like this. And don't forget to share it to your friends and relatives. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye friends.